If Zenless Zone Zero keeps crashing on PC, especially on launch or mid-session, this is the fix list that actually works in 2026. Let's get you stable fast and quick heads up. If this helps, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss fixes like this. First, fix corrupted files. Open the HoYoverse launcher, click repair/verify, and let it finish. One bad asset after an update can cause instant crashes, and this clears it more often than anything else. Next, kill overlays and hooks. Turn off Discord overlays, GPU overlays, screen recorders, FPS counters, and any RGB software. ZZZ is sensitive to background hooks, and crashes often happen the moment a scene loads. Now update your GPU drivers and restart your PC. Even being one version behind can cause crashes during shader compilation or combat effects. After updating, don't skip the restart, it matters. Lower graphics before launching again. Set the game to windowed or borderless, drop shadows and effects to medium or low, and turn motion blur and depth of field off. High effects can spike RAM and crash the game on load or during fights. Check your system stability. Disable any CPU or GPU overclocks temporarily and close heavy background apps. ZZZ will crash if your system dips during asset streaming. If it still crashes, switch your network, restart your router, or move from Wi-Fi to Ethernet. Login handshakes failing can look like a graphics crash when it's actually a connection drop. Pro tip: if crashes only happen after long sessions, restart the game every couple of hours. Memory buildup can cause random crashes that disappear instantly after a relaunch. If this video helped you, hit the like and sub. If not, drop a comment with your PC specs and when it crashes, and I'll help you dial in the exact fix.